This is the matter, my lord, regarding the CBI investigation connecting with the, my lord, in respect to the affairs of the, my lord.
The report I have is of August 2022. I have requested them for
No, my lord, state has nothing to do, my lord. In this case, my lord, CBI is investigating the matter, my lord. CBI is directed to file the report before this honorable court, my lord.
SI, it has gone to the SI.
All right, SIT.
There was
No.
a SIT form before the.
But then there was a direction for CBI.
Yes, yes.
So you are investigating. What is the use of keeping this matter pending?
My lord, further investigation is going on.
Whatever it is, CBI is in.
No, my lord,
This
keep
is
it
not
pending.
faltu
My
kamla
lord,
number.
further, CBI has filed a charge sheet, my lord. ED investigation is also going on.
The Supreme Court, while taking slow motor cognizance of the RT court matter, desired that both the matter and this matter should be heard together by the Supreme Court.
Ah.
Now, the last order which was passed by the civil judge was to file a report. This is the report we have filed.
No, it's already.
It has been filed. Further investigation is on.
No, whatever it is, sir, is the further pendency of the writ petition warranted?
No.
This is my single.
No, my lord,
Because
may I submit one?
one is CBI prayer was allowed.
Yes.
Now the investigating agency is investigating the matter.
Charge sheet has been filed.
Whatever it is, sir, there is a progress of the investigation. Now, what monitoring will the court do, sir, at this stage? I don't.
No, but ED is also my lord, conducting the investigation. Whether ED has filed a
So they will take years after years. That I have.
Well, so far as sanction is concerned, well, whether well, state government has given sanctions so far these accused persons is concerned, that is also looked into. Otherwise, well, on one hand, they will withhold the sanction. Otherwise, they will move the court. Well, in that case, they will be granted bail. Well, kindly, so far as that part is concerned, well, kindly ask the state council well, to whether what is the report regarding the sanction. The charge sheet is saying well, no sanction has been
My
given.
instruction is from my learned junior, the sanction has been done.
Yes. এটা ফেলে রেখে কোনো লাভ নেই, আর হবে না, মাইলেজ আর পাওয়া যাবে
But
না।
the further investigation is going on. Well, keep it well, after some time. Well, may I submit? Well, keep it. But Millard, may I submit one thing? Respectfully submit, Millard, keep it pending, Millard. Keep it, Millard, after
No,
1
like
month.
that,
After 1-2 months, Millard. Let us see what is the progress going on. How far the trial is proceeding with Millard.
How you wanted investigation.
Millard, I wanted investigation that was given. There is no doubt about that.
Number one. Number two is that you had certain queries. So far as the CBI is concerned, they will investigate. What will court do?
No, may I submit one thing? Subject to kindly direct the court below, Millard, to complete the trial as early as possible.
They have not. They are carrying on further investigation. Are you carrying on further?
These accused persons are concerned, Millard. So far as these accused persons are concerned, Millard, they can proceed with the trial.
Under the
Well-
supervision of the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, we are carrying on further investigation.
Further investigation is going on, Millard. So far as these accused persons are concerned, charge sheet has already been submitted.
কোর্ট আছে, আমি আর কি করবো? তো কিছু করার নেই।
No, there is no subject to Millard, correction, Millard. I have not seen any order, Millard, where Supreme Court has said, Millard, both the cases should be taken by the Supreme
Even if it is that, sir, monitoring of investigation is regarding they to the satisfaction as file charge sheet primarily. Now, if you have grievance, suppose you have grievance. Now it's before the trial court you have got to.
Millard, 193(9) is still going on. Further investigation
And that will go on, sir. In
going
this
on.
type of case, it's not possible to complete the
Conclude them.
investigation.
Kindly keep it pending for some
Ah.
time, Millard. Kindly, Millard. Otherwise, Millard, these are larger issues, Millard. Kindly keep it pending, Millard. Otherwise, Millard, what will happen, Millard?
Division bench is there.
Millard, I don't want to go to the revision bench. Kindly keep it pending, Millard, for at least
Unless
on the matter for a month.
No, why I don't understand? Why should I?
In the
There
meantime,
must be a
Millard,
reason.
in the meantime, kindly see the progress of the trial. Kindly see it.
The progress of the trial
kindly-
is a separate aspect, sir.
Millard, your
Separate
lordship is
aspect.
monitoring the entire thing, Millard. Your lordship is Millard.
Not monitoring the entire thing, sir.
Millard,
So far as there is concerned, sir,
investigation is over, but they are making further investigation. And Millard, so far as sanction part is concerned, my senior learned friend has said, Millard, sanction has been granted by the state
আর হয়ে
government.
গেছে তো এবার they will go.
Now, Millard, kindly keep the matter
I-
pending
I-
for a month, Millard. Let us see, Millard. Heaven will not for Millard for a month, Millard. Kindly,
Even will.
no, Millard. Heaven will not for. Kindly keep the matter for a month.
চলে আসুন। আর পেন্ডিং রেখে লাভ নেই, ইডিও কোনোদিন চার্জশিট দেয় না, ট্রায়াল করে না।
দিচ্ছে বলছে।
আর সিবিআই has done whatever.
That's why Millard, kindly, Millard, let us see
CBI no.
what happens, Millard, in this case. Millard, kindly see.
CBI has closed no scope for further monitoring, sir. Yes, any scope for further monitoring, you tell me, Mr. Chakraborty, your senior counsel.
Possibly not. Because the issue relating to the financial irregularity that has been decided by filing a charge sheet. Now further investigation for what document we have no further instruction.
Further investigation is for that 409 part. Recovery of those, they never done.
CBI is saying the further investigation regarding that larger conspiracy between the above stated accused persons
ও যে
with
মনে হয়
respect
না।
to roles of others, including such and such. is
Ah,
going on.
this will go on. This will never ending process. Recovery of the
Milord, may I
important
submit, Milord,
material.
kindly keep this matter pending, Milord, at least adjourn the matter for a month. Well, let us see, let us
না, না।
pen কি হবে একটা point পারবে।
Sir, if you have grievance again, approach this court with issue. I will definitely address the issue.
Kindly, Milord,
But then
approaching
you
it-
have come before a court of law at a stage where your grievance was addressed, number one.
no doubt, no doubt.
Huh. Now what will happen, if because of pendency of this writ petition, nothing will progress before the trial court. This is what I'm
Milord, kindly dispose it of, kindly give a direction to proceed that.
in the fitness of circumstances. I'm telling you, this will be only a
Yes, yes.
magic
And
when
Milord,
this
kindly record my
writ petition is
Lana
pending
ASG
before the High
submission.
Court.
Kindly record Lana ASG submission, Milord. The sanction has been given, and Milord, this will
Yes, on
proceed.
instruction.
On instruction.
Officer in charge is present.
Acha.
Officer is present.
Petitioner approached this court being aggrieved in respect of certain corruptions and to that effect lodged information with the local police station concerned, which was not effectively investigated. Consequently, by an order dated
23rd August.
23rd August 2024, a coordinate bench of this court was pleased to entrust the investigation to CBI. Learned aid ASG, Mr. Chakraborty is present. He submits that the investigation has been concluded. Investigation has progressed to a reasonable extent. 2 charge sheets. How many charge sheets?
One check.
And a charge sheet has already been submitted after substantial materials were collected by the investigating agency. On instructions, learned ASG submits that even sanction has been granted for prosecution. Full stop. Asha. An angle of larger conspiracy is being investigated by the CBI, which will consume more time. Full stop. Having considered 7 and 13 2 কি আছে 13 1D 13 2
13-1A, 13-2.
7 is not there. 7 থাকবে না বোধহয় 13 1 2 and 13
Yes, Lordship, 37 is there.
7 is there. Which paragraph, sir? এইখানে না
14. Lord.
14. আচ্ছা a report has been submitted by the learned ASG, which has been prepared by a deputy superintendent of police, which reflects that charge sheet was filed on 29th of November 2024 under the relevant provisions of the Indian Penal Code and the Prevention of Corruption Act. In view of the charge sheet having been submitted almost 2 months ago before the special court, I direct that the police authorities would take steps if the investigation if the trial can be commenced by directing the public prosecutor appearing on behalf of the CBI to assess whether the materials collected prima facie makes out a case for framing of charges before the learned trial court. Full stop. What is your ECIR number?
ECR number?
কিছুই নেই Acha. Have you registered ECIS?
Such has been made,
Acha.
several states have been recorded.
All right.
and they-
Very good. Mr. Chakraborty, learned advocate appearing for the Enforcement Directorate submits that the ECIR has been registered. 22 search AAs have been effected. And the investigation is being carried out for tracing out the money trail in respect of the accused persons who have been implicated in connection with the say AA case. Having considered that, Acha, state has any role to play, Mrs. Banerjee?
I know that.
I don't think so. Acha, transfer, yes. And you did not prefer an appeal also against that order. Learned aid advocate appearing for the state submits that since
Right, they directly moved to the Supreme Court, it was rejected. State moved to the Supreme Court.
the state has got nothing to say right
No,
now.
no, state 136 application was rejected.
Where
that-
is that document?
This is the order.
Then I will request time for the instruction, because my instructions are old.
No, no, the order seat is there. State moved to the Supreme Court and Supreme Court rejected that.
No, this is not state has gone. Accused went over there.
Yes, madam.
State has
So,
done
this.
state has nothing.
State,
I'm sorry.
Shondip Ghosh versus this one.
Yes.
আচ্ছা কি বললাম? Since the investigation is being conducted by the central agencies at this stage, state will reserve its submissions before the court as no materials are available with the state agencies. Full stop. Having considered that the Central Bureau of Investigation has already submitted a charge sheet in the month of November 2024, and the special court is in CC of the matter. Take instructions. Have you collected materials for framing of charge? I don't want to spoil the case also.
Just yesterday, we have received the sanction order. That's
Then
Huh?
this will be done thereafter, after receiving the sanction.
The sanction is separate, sir. The materials you have collected is sufficient to frame charges.
Yes,
কি বললাম?
we consider that the Central Bureau of Investigation has already submitted charge sheet in the month of November 2024, and the special court insisting of the matter.
And the special court is in ওইটা একটু পরে দেবেন, and it has further been informed that the sanction order has been granted very recently.
Yesterday.
I direct the learned aid special court to when is the next date?
30th of this month.
I direct the special court that within a week from the next date fixed, all endeavor be made for consideration of charges is full stop. The special court would take into account the list of the witnesses and accordingly fix schedule so that the trial of the case can be expedited and taken to its logical conclusion at the earliest. Full stop. Oh. With the aforesaid observation, WPA 21396 of 2024 is disposed of. Reports submitted by the learned ASG be kept in a sealed envelope.
No.
This report, this is a public document, you'll get over there. কি বললাম? With the records of the case.
Because of the case, you can take the
আর কিছু নেই, sir,
Learned Special Court Alipur.
we learned special judge, I have said, sir. Can আছে? ওই
Can was already.
can is for what?
Can already disposed of.
additional party.
It was filed.
Can
it
হয়ে
was
গেছে,
disposed of.
already
Dismissed. Can.
next.
A deep